Dinson. Dinson going inside, 79-78. Masagyapon ang ating score. Para masagyapon, Jirochi. Waragin, 0 out of 5 yun si Jirochi tonight. And here is Inama running fast. Recovers the ball, going to Gonzalez, stolen by Dustin. Dustin going to Jaimera. Himera. Himera steps back, 18-foot jumper is good coming from Himera. And there is Inama with the ball for quarter Bansiren. The lead goes to a celebrity for the first time tonight. Here is Kenji. No good si Kenji. Nakapoy rin si Kenji. And here is number 2. Going to Dustin. Oy, nagbuyan ang Buda. And here is Kasanggarin. Oy, kapulang si Jungjung. Kabalik. 1 meter away. No good. Diba may Dustin? Oy, look. And here's Dustin Masagapon going to Jirochi. Jirochi going to Jason. Jason inside, going to Dustin. Wow, what a shot! Puro mapayas na naman kita ng mga kabyanan. And here is Kasanggarin. Here is Kasanggarin. Going to Kenji. Kenji, bingo! Kenji tonight, 17 years old. Ang score, 82-80. Here is Jaimera. Jaimera looking for a teammate, going to Abalos. Abalos defended by Chung inside, Jason outside to Jirochi. Jirochi, Rakit, 0 out of 6 is Jirochi tonight. And here is Kasanggarin. Kasanggarin to Hikangao. And the lefty shot, Igo pa na maulo. 2 points coming from Hikangao. 7 minutes and 54 seconds on the in the final chapter of the game. Number 2 dribbling the ball inside, defended behind his back. The layup is good. What a shot coming from number 2. Here is Hikangao. Hikangao playing point guard for the team Gimbal here in the court. And here is Kenji. Kenji, yeah! 3 points again for Kenji. And he has a total of 25 points. 25 big points coming from Kenji. Jaimera, defended by Enaka. Going to number 2, Jason. No good from Jason. No good. Outlet for Jong to Kenji. What a pass! And a 2-point coming from Gonzalez. Assist again for Chuk. A total of 7 for him. Here is Dinson against Hinama. Dinson going to the steal, but well defended by Gonzalez. Here is Chuk nagpundo. Uy! Nagalan ka kontra. No, good na sa gapre by Jirochi. Jirochi with the ball. Jirochi will shoot, he will try again, but finally, a three-pointer coming from Jirochi. Here is Enaka. Enaka going to Mural. In and out for Kenji. Given by Jirochi. Jirochi going to Dinson. His three-pointer, no good again. 6 minutes and 15 seconds, 89-85. A 4-point lead by Team Gimbal. And here is Kasanggarin. No good. Rebound goes to Jirochi. Jirochi looking behind. He will wait for Abalos, and Abalos will go inside. But no good coming from Abalos. And here's Hikangao. Hikangao. And 2-point coming from Hikangao. Inbounding Jirochi. Back to Jirochi. Dinson. Jirochi will go inside. What a Euro move. Pero no good again coming from Jirochi. 1 out of 8 from the field. Here is Hikangao, 3-pointer. Wala na sa gapon. Rebound ni Abalos. Abalos nagalala. Nagusong si Abalos. Abalos parte kataway taway. Wala na sa gapon. Rebound ni Jaimera. 5 minutes and 10 seconds na bilin. Ipasa kay Dustin. Dustin tumira. Isak. Wasak. 3 points coming from Dustin. Here is Kenji, ladies and gentlemen, pero wala ka na po. 2-point na sa giyapon. coming from Chuk. With 4 minutes and 52 na minutes. Naagaw ni Chuk. Nagtira si Moral pati karera yan. No good, rebound by Kanggaw. Yes sir, basket counted. And, okay, that's a foul. Madribble ng bola. Going to Pineda. Pineda inside, no good naman ang cut. Rebound sumalakay. Sumalakay to Chuk. And Chuk, nagpundo sa siya. Uy, ginaboy, nag-stop si Chuk. Pero wala, no good. Sayang. Alright, Pineda will be behind his back outside to Barranco. Yes, sir! 3 points. 14-17, 95 to 91 on the score. Sumalakay for 3. Yes! Sumalakay. Kenneth John Sumalakay for the 3-pointer. Here is Pin Juanez. Alaga ni Bubo! Okay, anang si Bubo. Pero ipasa ko na sila yung taway-taway na Pinas 2 points na naman. 3 minutes and 43 na bilin. Gentlemen and ladies, Kabugo. And here is Gabile for 3. Wala, kabos-kabos. And a rebound. Batayan ni Bugo. Nag-lay up si number 6 na wait-away. Pero pati kabos-kabos. And here is Gatanera waiting for Kenji. Kenji, natrapuhan na ng sapatos. Sige, slam dunk. Sayang hit. Bubo! Ladies and gentlemen, matang si Bubo. Matang si Bubo pero ginapoy na. Why? What are you doing? And here is Gatanera. Will slam it down. Taklo mo sa Tiyakog. Pagtingataas na rin. Oh, isa pa. Ladies and gentlemen, shoot! Kenji! Mura! Ladies and gentlemen, again, one more time, another chance for Kenji Chumura! Yay! Thank you so much, Kenji. And here is number 7 with the basket. 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining. Here's Sumalakay. Sumalakay, defender ni Barranco. Sumalakay na smiling face. No good. Oy, ang hawin. And there's to Dalumpines. Dalumpines, Barranco for 3 pusa. 3 points by Barranco. Ang score, 100 to 98. Okay? Again, thank you so much everyone. Sa tanang-tanang, thank you so much for watching. Happy Fiesta Gimbal. Good night. Advance good night. Thank you everyone. Halo sa pagpauli. 2 minutes and 13 remaining. Pwede niya naman makulay ng mga...
Okay, again, ang naka-avail lang sa kanila yung sobran ay nagbakal sa t-shirt.